use it with the crudité.
Nice.
Which is veggies. Veggie sticks.
Yeah. It is the day before Thanksgiving and we did a thrift haul video, which you may have seen today. And now it's nighttime and we're doing all our Thanksgiving preparation. There's my husband, Joel.
Hello.
Hello. We are, right now, we've got a couple of things done, but I will show you what we're working on right now. All right, so what are you making?
We're gonna do artichoke spinach dip. We chop the spinach up, chop the 1 can of artichokes, put a whole bunch of garlic in there, and I'm gonna blend it up just a tiny bit in here, and then we're gonna scrape it all off, and we're gonna add some cream cheese deliciousness, and then we're gonna put it all in that 8x8 casserole.
Yes.
And then tomorrow we'll heat it up and use it with the crudité.
Nice.
Which is veggies. Veggie sticks.
Yeah, sounds good. All right. Okay, now we're making the dressing. My husband is the best cook around. He's a way better cook than I am.
No.
Oh, really?
This isn't true.
I don't know. Look at how perfect that is. Good job, darling.
Thank you.
You're so much taller than me that I have to hold my hand up to get you.
You need a boom.
Yes, exactly. So we like to put on music and dance around and things, but we can't play that music on YouTube because it's copyrighted, so I'm going to put non-copyrighted music over it. So if you see us dancing, we're dancing to regular music.
We only dance to non-copyrighted public domain music.
Right, that's it.
That's it.
That's right.
Mom, did you know queen cobras are longer than dinosaurs?
What is this, sweetie?
Queen cobras are longer than dinosaurs.
A queen cobra, what's that? Is that a snake?
Yep.
Wow. That's so
They're
cool.
very long.
What are you guys doing?
Coloring.
Coloring? Can I see? Oh, wow. Look at those beautiful colors that you've got going on. That is really nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Looks like you've got your winter coat and your gloves on and some shorts because, well, it is still warm out.
In my dinosaur's coat.
You got dinosaurs on your coat? Yeah. Nice. That's fun.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right and away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Once you're pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces.
now we have all sorts of helpers peeling eggs. Good job, guys.
Finally have something to do.
Yeah, you finally have something to do. She's been asking to help. Please let me help.
By the way,
But it's kind of hard when there's sharp knives and hot things going on. All right, here we go. All right, so we got our apples that have cinnamon on them. And this is a sauce that she made on the stove using butter, water, flour, sugar. And it makes a nice sauce that will make for a beautiful pie.
Dressing. Put some
I can't wait to have it.
in there.
Yum. Mm-hmm.
Do you like my goop?
So good. Good job. That looks amazing, Azalea.
Thank you.
Azalea
Yep, that looks really good.
is the greatest.
Mm-hmm. Yep. She's my little baker.
Yep. This is true.
I'm a baker. Mm-hmm. Nice. I could seriously just eat that whole thing. I would just like to eat all that filling right now. Mm. Nice. It's beautiful. Nice job. Very nice. You go ahead and do your egg wash, which is a tablespoon of sugar and an egg. Go ahead and brush that all over. Yep.
Painting the pie.
Yeah, she's painting it.
I've always wanted to use this.
Well, there you go. Now you get to.
Making a beautiful pie. I've succeeded in life.
Yep. Pretty cool. Very nice. And we'll cover those edges with tin foil so that the crust doesn't burn. How's it going?
Good.
Good job. Nice job. Azalea's pie came out beautifully. She did such a good job. Filling up the sweet potatoes. Our sweet potatoes are all boiled up, and I'm just gonna add them to my blender. And I like to use the Domino brand sugar, not sponsored or anything, but it's non-GMO, and I appreciate that. And butter, cinnamon, and a little dash of salt. And I also like to put in orange juice. It gives it a really nice flavor. And I will make this the night before Thanksgiving, which is now, and then I'll put it in the fridge, and then the next day when it's time to get everything heated up and ready, I will put that in the oven at about 350 and let it get warm, and then I'll add the marshmallows right before it's time to take it out so that those can brown up on top. I'd also like to mention that I don't actually measure anything, so I just put things in until it tastes right. So let me know in the comments, do you measure things or do you just put things in until they taste right?
We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. You've become me, and I've become you in this story. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest. The final hour before we let it go to rest. And in our story, in the story, they say, and now it's over, and now it's over. Wish we had done this, wish we had done that. Wait another minute and you're just a silhouette. So in the blue skies, if we don't hear the thunder, dreaming about the past, but going under. We're going
All right, here we go. It's in the dish. Now I'm going to cover it with tin foil and put it in the fridge and then heat it up tomorrow and then put marshmallows on once it's all heated up. My kitchen is a complete disaster, so I'm gonna call it a night on the meal prep. I'm going to work on cleaning everything up so that tomorrow we can hit the ground running and get everything ready for Thanksgiving. What is that, Phoenix? Is that a
We're
heart?
actually saying that.
Sees the fall harvest, ensuring that each vegetable for your Thanksgiving dinner is picked at the peak of perfection. And today, Jolly Green Giant is joined by
That's,
Larry
well, it's called a
Sparrow.
float, but it's rolling.
Green beans for the beloved Thanksgiving side dish. Love this green bean casserole.
I heard your mom makes a mean green bean casserole too. Singing freedom was a highway. Here is
What do they call that? The green something giant?
Jolly Green Giant.
Jolly Green Giant, that's
Yeah,
what it is.
that's what it is.
Jimmy Allen.
Drives a truck.
It is Thanksgiving morning and I just made some cinnamon rolls. We're gonna eat that for breakfast. I'm not really gonna be filming much today because we're just gonna hang out as a family, and I hope that you guys have a very happy Thanksgiving and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.